Tiana's Forgotten Dream. In New Orleans, where jazz once filled the air with dreams of possibility, something vital had disappeared. The vibrant corner, where Tiana's palace had stood, was now an empty lot, collecting nothing but fallen leaves and forgotten hopes. The strings of twinkling lights that had illuminated countless evenings of music and laughter were gone, leaving only shadows in their place. Tiana herself worked as a waitress at Cal's diner, serving coffee and beignets with a smile that didn't quite reach her eyes. Though she still moved with grace through the busy restaurant, the spark that had once driven her to reach for the stars had dimmed. Her father's old gumbo pot sat unused in a kitchen cabinet, its special blend of spices gathering dust. One evening, as Tiana walked home through the bayou, fireflies danced around her in unusual patterns. Among them, a golden light pulsed, with the same rhythm as her father's favorite jazz tune. The light swirled around her father's old recipe book, which she always carried close to her heart. As she opened its worn pages, memories began to surface. Memories of transformation, of dancing through the bayou as a frog, and of a prince who had learned to love her dreams as much as she did. Following the mysterious light, Tiana found herself deep in the bayou, where Mama Odie's boathouse should have been. Instead of the warmly lit haven she remembered, there was only darkness and silence. The fireflies gathered together, forming images in the night sky. Pictures of her restaurant, of Prince Naveen playing his ukulele, and of their adventure that had somehow been erased. In the heart of the bayou, Tiana discovered an old cooking pot, much like her father's. Inside, ingredients began to appear, not just for gumbo, but for something more magical. Each ingredient represented a piece of her forgotten dream, a sprinkle of starlight for ambition, a dash of jazz music for joy, and a pinch of her father's love for cooking. As Tiana stirred the magical mixture, she hummed her father's favorite song. The pot began to glow, and the aroma that rose from it carried memories through the bayou. The scent reached the city, awakening forgotten dreams in everyone it touched. Charlotte remembered her best friend's passion for cooking. Louis felt the urge to play his trumpet again. And somewhere in the city, Naveen's fingers began to tap out a familiar melody. The magic grew stronger as Tiana added the final ingredient, her own unwavering belief in the power of hard work and determination. The empty lot in the city transformed, brick by brick, back into Tiana's palace. Light returned to the restaurant's windows, and the sound of jazz began to float through the air once more. But the spell wasn't complete yet. Tiana knew she needed to remind everyone of the joy her restaurant had brought to their lives. She began to cook, pouring her heart into every dish, just as her father had taught her. The aromas drifted through the city streets, drawing people to the restaurant like enchanted music. As guests filled the restaurant, each bite of food restored another piece of their shared story. Naveen found his way there too, drawn by both the music and the inexplicable feeling that something important waited for him inside. When their eyes met across the crowded room, the last pieces of their tale fell back into place. The restaurant hummed with renewed energy as the band played. Couples danced, and friends shared meals together. Ray's spirit twinkled brightly in the evening sky, celebrating the return of love and dreams to New Orleans. But just as Tiana and Naveen began to dance, she noticed a shadow slipping away through the kitchen door. The mysterious force that had tried to erase their story was still at work.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.